My son Ned recently built this. It's supposed to look like this, but he's only 4, so he's used to breaking this all apart like King Kong Godzilla style. So I was surprised he built this. So this is a nice progression in his growth as a child. So you can see he decided to make the orange dino the center point. And highlighted in the front are the 3 other dinosaurs that would catch the marbles over here. I don't think this really works. You can see it just flies out. But still, it could work if he really tried. So let's see it from other angles. I give him 2 thumbs up. And then we'll bring it in. Let's see from below. This comes off pretty easily. Enjoy! The mouth doesn't really move. Just this one does on the top. Just this one does. Have a good day.